a lot of folks are concerned about fitting in or assimilating into the West, and those are folks that come from outside, right? People who are born abroad and things like that. And one of the freedoms of being a convert, someone who's from this space, is that we don't necessarily have that same desire to fit in. We're more comfortable with sticking out and being different. And I think we're a little bit more quick to recognize that not only do we not need to fit in or change ourselves to be kind of accepted, but the opposite, that Islam is actually the solution to everything that plagues modern Western society, right? You have this sort of unprecedented amount of environmental destruction. You have loneliness and alienation. You have depression. You have, fragmented families and all these sorts of things. There's not a doubt in my mind that Islam is the solution to all this and more. And Allah works in the ways that He works. And Sheikh Abdullah, when he was teaching tafsir and some of the ayahs of the Quran, when Allah Azza wa Jal says that if you Muslims don't take care of this covenant that you have, then I'm going to replace you with other people. Sheikh Abdullah, when we pass by these verses, he would say, Imma America or Sin. He would always say either America or China. He was of the strong belief that either the United States or that China would eventually one day become a Muslim majority country, or be guided by Islam in a major way. And who knows? That's just his maybe his ijtihad or his hope or whatever we want to call it. But it is true that it can happen anywhere, and that if it were to happen, I think that Islam has the right stuff to turn around the ship and to kind of save the modern West.